Hi guys and girls, welcome to another video. This is going to be a video that if you're having trouble with outdoor security lights, we're going to look at trying to fix them. So your battery operated security lights have stopped working. It could be rain, it could be cold, it could be a mixture of both. So let's see how we can rectify this. Okay, so I'm going to pop the battery compartment open. You're going to look at your batteries, they're probably going to be cold, hopefully not too wet. So pop them out. You can get a little towel or a bit of kitchen towel and dry them off, get them nice and dry. On a radiator that's not too hot, not too high temperature, you're going to take the front and the back, the main bit and the back, and put it on the radiator for a bit. Every now and again take it off and turn it round. Over a bit of time this should dry out very nicely, and this should get your security light ready for action again. Keep your batteries at room temperature for a good few hours. This will regulate the temperature and bring them back down to normal. Then you'll be able to put them back in, and lo and behold, we have working security lights. Hope this video has been helpful for you guys. Like I say, don't put the batteries on a radiator, just a case in. Enjoy.